The
On your
entire
marks.
National Stadium is standing.
Tension has gripped the National Stadium. Women's 100-meter final. What are we about to see? We'll know in a matter of just over 10 seconds after the race gets underway. A sterling lineup. And the slight push in the set position. Off they go. Very, very good start by Shericka Jackson. Natasha Morrison is on the premises. Tom Sahira is knocking on the door as well. Step forward, Shericka Jackson imperiously. And she steps away in great style to become back-to-back national champion. Big performance on the big occasion. We wait for the official time.
10.65!
10.65! Wow, what a performance! New world leading, new personal best. A stunning, superlative, and scorching display of sprinting. That was magical. Goodness gracious me. Shashali Forbes, second in 10.96. New personal best. Natasha Morrison finishes third. What a race. What a moment. What performances.
It's wind legal, viewers. You want to know? Positive 1.0 seconds. Shericka Jackson skyrockets up in the world all-time list. Has now gone into the 10.6 region. Amazing as she hugs her mother there after the race. Shericka Jackson. Plenty drama behind that, Hubert Lawrence. Sasha Lee Forbes says, I'm going to run the 100 meters at the World Championships.